Hey everyone, welcome back to the basement, and today we're checking out this little cot that we got from Lily Peel. Now, I bought this cot because we wanted something in the basement here just in case we were having a storm or something like that and we needed extra space for people to sleep. This thing works out perfectly. Let's take a bit of a closer look. All right, so when you get the cot, you really get three pieces. The cot itself, this pad, and then this headrest. The pad and the headrest are nice bonus pieces, but really it's the cot that matters to me. Not only is this thing foldable and portable, it's also really comfy and really sturdy. It's weight rated up to 500 pounds. It's got a little baggie on the side here, so if you want to put a magazine or remote control or something like that in there, you can easily do that. And it's easy to take outside. And the cot easily changes. You can have it sit like this, so it's like a lawn chair, or you can have it easily lay flat for you. And folding it, super easy. Just lay the back down, turn it up on end, put in the two legs, and then bring it all together. And you're set to put it away. But what you really want to know is would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Yeah, this nailed exactly what we were looking for. Just an emergency situation cot or something that we could take outside in the yard and enjoy the nice weather. The fact that it comes with this cushion and this headrest are just a nice bonus, but this adds a little bit better of a sleeping surface than sleeping on the cot itself. Being weight rated to 500 pounds makes this thing easy to use for anybody in our family. And the fact that we can easily fold it up and store it away means that it doesn't take up a bunch of space when it's not needed. It comes in 8 different colors, so you're bound to find one that fits your needs. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.